لا لا بصورهم بالجوال عادي.
بصوركم بالكاميرا وانتم هذه واعطيكم اياها وهذه قصدك.
Alright. So everybody listen up here. So the three are gonna go. When we come back, I'm not gonna shut the helicopter off, okay? I'm gonna keep it running. So what I need you guys to do is get out of the helicopter. Don't go to the back towards the tail rudder. We'll come right back over here, okay?
Yes.
And then you two
Okay.
will come after they come back over here. Then you can go to the helicopter
Okay.
and get in, okay?
Okay.
But make sure you don't go to the back of the helicopter right now, because I'm not gonna be able to help you. I'm gonna be at the controls. Okay? And I'll show you how to use the doors when we go out there. And you know what? You guys come out here too. I'll show you how to use the doors since you like.
بالتوفيق يا شباب بالتوفيق. أهم شيء أذكر الله يذكركم.
احد يوصيني يا شباب على فلوس ولا حاجه يعطيني اياها.
السري ترى كله اصفار.
Doors. Down, over, opens up. You're nice and easy on them. They're lightweight, so don't push on them, pull on them. Hold on to this here and get in. Okay. All right. And then when you're in the helicopter, you need to get out, up, over. Okay.
نفس النغمة حقي.
Okay.
وين تبغى نجلس بعدين؟
انا بجي قدام.
وأنا بجي ورا عادي.
I'll have you two.
Okay,
Wait back here.
Take picture.
Yeah, take a picture of them real quick.
Okay.